As you can see, there's a little green LED light with a little resistor soldered onto the back of it. That the green light comes on when the thermo fans are on, just as an indication light, just to say that they're working. Green light normally comes on at just below half on the temperature gauge. So we'll wait a minute and see if it does come on by any chance. If it doesn't, then it's still a bit cold. We'll just wait and find out. Also, the car does have a fair few Ks on it. 327,533 Ks. But still runs pretty well, I suppose. It's just the old 4-speed auto, or 3-speed with overdrive, whatever you want to call it. Electric sunroof does have a crack, but anyway, it'll get replaced. Leather trim, power windows, factory CD player, aircon could do with a regas, power windows, keyless entry. Just all the basic Cressida Grande features. Also has the almighty 7M, which will hopefully get replaced sometime along the line. Still has stock suspension, sits like a 4-wheel drive. Also, if anyone ever has this same problem about the lights, light warning light, whatever you want to call it, up on the dash coming on, please notify me, because all light globes are working, but for some reason little warning light keeps on coming on saying that there's a blown globe somewhere. So I wouldn't have a clue about that. I'm just waiting for this green light to come on. Might be pretty boring for some people, but anyway, some people might want to see it working, some might not. Everything works on this car, which is pretty good. Cruise control works. Cruise works. All the windows work, central locking works, aircon works. As I said, everything on here works, which is pretty good for an old car. Do need to put the cam covers back on. They were taken off because of a had a little oil leak. Wanted to see where it was all coming from. No blown head gaskets, thank God. And there we go. Thermo fan warning light has just came on to indicate that the fans are on and working. At and that's where the temperature sits. It doesn't really move other than that. So it's all going well with the AU Falcon Thermo fans on it. Doesn't overheat. Comes on when they're supposed to, turns off when they're supposed to. You should see the light turn off in a minute when the fans switch off. There we go, fans are just switched off. As I said, might be boring for some people, but you know, just wanted to show that Falcon Thermo fans can and do fit a 90 model MX83 Cressida. So thank you.